if you have any interesting, please let me know. Thank you. Welcome to ba-4 channels. Please follow our stores. Follow our stores and share to your friend. Thank you. And this part is our soldering iron. Ni hao, hello, how are you? Thank you for your likes. Thank you. Sassy, hello, thank you for your support. And share our stores to your friend. Thank you. Yes, I'm fine too. 我也很好, thank you. And this is the soldering irons for different models, and it can make in different wattage, the power wattage, and also welcome to ba-4 channels. Please follow our store. Thank you. Welcome to ba-4 channels. Thank you. And you can check on the bottom catalogs. There are many models and with different size. And this is the ba-4. Yes, this is the ba-463. It is high in solution soldering irons with the low leakage and the column irons. It uses a very high quality competitive, and the PP, yes, it's the PP type ceramic heatings with a long life operation, long lifetimes. So this is used of the club paper package. And this one has the certificates.